Hello children, I hope you all had your lunch. Now as I just told you that I was listening to your what you recorded and sent about your summary, and many of you were telling the taro went to chop wood, the taro was taking care of his mother, the taro. You know, taro is a character, the name of a person in this chapter, isn't it? Okay, so I want to revise this the article with you. There are many rules where you have to use the and where you shouldn't use the. See, it is not the, it is the. Okay, children? Okay, cut. Have you ever thought what the means? Yes, in particular, what does the mean? Now, for example, if I say, have you read the book? Yes. Now, let's see the example. What is the mean? Just look at this example. I read the book. Can you open the window, please? The Taj Mahal is worth seeing. Now, let's take the first sentence. I read the book. What does it mean? I read a particular book. Is it not? I read a particular book. So here I use the for a particular. If I am mentioning that a particular book, then you use the book. Now, can you open the window, please? Now there might be many windows where you stick many windows. If I am just saying, can you open the window, please? Can you open the window, please? So you understand which window I am particularly mentioning to. Yes. So here the window. The window. I am mentioning a particular window. Then here, the Taj Mahal is worth seeing. The Taj Mahal is worth seeing. Here, I am telling about Taj Mahal. Are there many Taj Mahals? No, it is specific. I am telling about a particular. Only it is a specific place. So this is Taj Mahal is a specific place. So and it is also a noun. I am using the here. Is that clear? So when to use the when you are mentioning about a particular thing or a specific thing. A specific thing or a particular thing, you use the. Okay. So now first you know that you use the when you are mentioning a particular thing or something very specific. Okay, that's one thing. Now another thing is when something is unique. There is only one. When something is unique, only one. Now look at this example. The moon was so beautiful last night. The moon was so beautiful last night. Here what am I telling about? I am telling about the moon. A particular, it says only moon is unique. It's only one. Am I making clear to you? Moon is only one. So it is unique. It's a unique thing. So you use the before a unique thing. The moon was so beautiful last night. Now again, another specific or unique thing, sun. The sun is the brightest star. So you know sun is also a very unique thing. So you say the sun is the brightest star. You know where now you're using the here when you're mentioning something very unique. Is it clear, children? Yes. The first one is when you're mentioning something very particular, that is I read the book. Open the window, please. Can you bring the book to me? Or the Taj Mahal is worth seeing. Okay. And another one is when something is very unique, like the moon, the sun, the earth, you use the before the moon, sun, the earth. Okay. I'll be giving you many more examples. I'm putting it on PowerPoint and also shared it in your Google Classroom. You can see, so you will get, when you see the presentation, PowerPoint presentation, you will be more clear. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, so now you know two main places where in a sentence you use the. Okay, one is specific, or when you're telling something in particular, and something when you're mentioning something about unique thing, you use the. Okay children, now there are many hundreds of places where you use the, but this is something very important which I thought I should tell you. As we go further, I'll be telling you the other rules too, and mind it, there are exceptions in everything. Now coming to your chapter, I want to tell you when not to use the. When not to use the. Okay, now nouns, you know proper nouns. Yes, what are they? You learnt it in the primary as naming words. Yes, now just look at this example. I met the Sangeeta. What is the noun here? Sangeeta. And when it is a proper noun, you always write in a capital letter. Is it right to say I met the Sangeeta? I just told you when not to use the. When it is a noun, you do not use the. Now here, I do not use the in front of a name. Like you used, the Taro went to chop wood. You don't use the in front of nouns. Okay children? So here you will not use the front of a name. See, Sangeeta is a name. You won't use the front of a noun, the name. Now let's look at the other sentence. The Lalit Mahal is in the Mysore. Are there many Lalit Mahals in Mysore? No, it is one. It is a name. See, I have written Lalit Mahal in capitals. Can you see? So Lalit Mahal is a noun name. So you should not use the in front of the name Lalit Mahal. Okay, one more noun is there in the sentence. Can you tell me? Very good. Mysuru is another noun in the sentence. See, I have written, now I have striked off the here. So Lalit Mahal is in the Mysuru. Is it correct to say? No. Yes. You're picking up very fast. Yes, you do not use the again because Mysuru is a proper noun. Is it clear? Now you read the sentence. Lalit Mahal is in Mysuru. Good. That is the right way to say. Okay. Now here, see. Now let's go to the next sentence. The taro chopped wood. Ah, very good. By now you're all ready. So here you do not use the front of name. So it just comes taro chopped wood. Is it clear children? But again, now you'll be thinking, madam told me no, madam told us no, what you call the in front of proper nouns, names. But look at these exceptions. See where the is used. You would have heard the United States of America. The United States of America. Why are we using the? United States of America is also a noun. But why are we using the? Here, United States of America is not just one. There are different states. 55 states together makes United States. Okay, so America is a combination of 55 states. So it is called the United States. For same example is here, the UAE. The Arab countries, many Arab countries which are united together is United Arab Emirates, which you say the UAE. Have I made it clear? Why is, though United States of America is a proper noun, we use the in front of it because it is a group. Okay, the same way the UAE. Why do we say the UAE? The UAE is because it is a combination of many Arab countries. And the same way, you use the Andamans. You use the Andamans, though they are all nouns. Andaman is a noun, UAE is a noun, United States is a noun. Why do you use it there? Andamans is a combination of many islands. It's not just one, it's a combination of many small islands. So you say the Andamans. Have I made it clear, children? So here we have just discussed 3 things for just today. If I put in everything together, you might forget and you might not know. So I just told you when you have to use the and when not to use the. Is that clear? Now to make it, you're picking up very fast. To revise, we'll be doing some exercise which I put it in Google Classroom and I'm sending it on WhatsApp too. Don't worry, children, those who are not able to log into Google Classroom, don't worry. I'm putting all the things that we are doing into WhatsApp too. Okay, now we'll go to the exercise part which you will be doing and sending it to me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.